closer. But this is this. If, so this can equal to sine of x or minus sine of x. Right? If sine of x is positive or equal to 0, it's sine of x. If sine of x is negative, it's equal to minus sine of x. Okay? So let's study the original curve. Now, when I say sine of x, am I talking about the x value or the y value? This is very important.
Y value.
Yeah, I'm talking about the y value. Okay, I don't really care if the graph is negative on this side, along the x-axis. What I care about is the height. Okay. Now, where on this graph is the graph have a negative y value?
The lower part.
Yeah, the lower part. Now, what this is, the definition of absolute value, what it does is that if it's positive, it doesn't do anything to it. It'll leave that alone completely. But if it's negative, what it does is that it multiplies all of these values by -1. So what's going to look like?
2 ohms.
It reflects on the x-axis like that. So this is the picture. Okay? 2 bumps.
Why doesn't that also only the negative?
The positive value, yeah. If you have to really understand the definition of absolute value. It doesn't do anything to the inside value, the y value, if it's already positive.
So
If it's negative, it multiplies by -1 to make it positive.
also,
So a lot of people think there's no negative. Like, that's too loose, though. If you think like that, there's many interpretations of that.
The period is 2 pi.
So yeah, the next question is the period still 2 pi? And it's not, because look at how long it takes to finish one cycle. How long does it take to finish one cycle?
pi.
Yes, pi. It's pi.
Oh.
Because the next cycle is exactly the same. So the period changes.
So it'd be